Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss and learn the most important topic about solution, that is the comparison of solution, colloids and suspension. So first, a solution. What is a solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components, and these components cannot identify easily. So it is also called a true solution. So the solution in which the components cannot identify easily, this is also called the true solution. Colloids are the heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particles are large than true solution but smaller than suspension. Similarly, what is suspension? A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture of undissolved particles in a given medium. So, a solution is a homogeneous mixture while colloids and suspension are the heterogeneous mixture. Next, we discuss their particle size. In solution, the particle size is the range of 0.01 to 1 nanometer, while the particle size in colloids is from 1 to 1000 nanometer. Similarly, if we can see the particle size in suspension, the particle size in suspension are more than 1000 nanometer in size. Next, in solution, the particle size are so small that cannot be seen with naked eye, while in colloids the particles are big but cannot be seen with naked eye. Similarly, in suspension, the particles are big enough to be seen with naked eye. So, we can see the particles only in the suspension, not in the colloids and solution. Similarly, if we filter their particles, in solution the particles can pass through the filter paper during the filtration. So in the solution the particles go with solvent, they cannot separate from the solvent. Similarly, in colloids, the particle can also be passed through the filter paper during the filtration. So their particles cannot be separated from the solvent. And in suspension, the particles cannot pass through the filter paper. So in suspension, the particles can be separated from the solvent. Next, properties which can differentiate these three unique process, that is Tyndall effect. What is Tyndall effect? When the light is scattered in a solution, when we fall a light on a solution, then this light is scattered, and this scattering of light is called Tyndall effect. So now we can see in which mixture or solution the Tyndall effects occur. So in solution, the particles do not scatter the light when passed through it. So in the solution, the particles do not scatter the light when pass through it. And the example of solution or true solution is the solution of table salt or sugar in water. Similarly, in colloid, the particles can scatter the light, and thus this scattering of light is called Tyndall effect. Its examples are milk in water. For example, when we take milk in water in a glass and we fall a light by a torch, then this light can scatter in all of the glass. So this scattering of light is called Tyndall effect. Similarly, in suspension, the particles may scatter the light but are not transparent like in the colloids. And the suspension and the examples of suspension are when we dissolve or when we mix the flour in water, then this mixture is called suspension, and when we stir this suspension for a while, for some time, the flour will settle down at the bottom of the glass. So this is the property of suspension. That's for all today, the learner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.